Hello, I am Purvi Maru and I am welcoming you all to my channel Food, Health and Acupressure.
Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to you all in our today's video. Hope you all are doing well. Today we'll be talking about acupressure points for high creatinine. Creatinine is a waste product which is made by our muscles, which is created by our muscles, and then it is filtered by our kidneys and then it is removed out from our body. Okay, so it is actually a waste product which is always made in our body. Okay, but having higher levels of creatinine in your body may be, it is a problem. Okay, talking about causes that why the creatinine levels are high in your body, then the first cause will be that the kidneys are not functioning well. Because of that there can be creatinine problems like kidney infection, or like if someone is having kidney stones or something, then because of that there can be high creatinine issues. Or it might be because of some underlying disease like diabetes or high blood pressure, which can lead to decrease the functioning of our kidneys, because of which there can be problem of high creatinine in your body. Okay, so now let us discuss about this acupressure point. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group or Telegram group, then do click on the link in the description box. And one more thing, as you all will be knowing that we are coming up with a free acupressure with certificate live training program, which will be on the 13th of November in English and on the 6th of November in Hindi. If you have not yet joined in that, then please do check the comment box. You will get all the procedure over there, and please do join in it. Okay. So let's just see our acupressure point. We will be discussing a single acupressure point today. Our acupressure point is on the front side of our hand. Okay. We'll take a jimmy. Say on the middle finger, just below the first joint of the middle finger, just below that, towards small finger is this point. See, just below the first joint of the middle finger, just below that towards the small finger is this point. This point is called as kidney 3. Okay. So over here what we'll do with the help of a jimmy, first with the help of the pointed side of the jimmy, you will locate the point. Okay. Once you have located the point, then what you will do is with the help of the back side of the jimmy, you will give the pressure for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay. After giving the pressure, we'll apply one magnet on this point. If you are not having the magnets and if you want to buy them, then we have made a basic acupressure kit in which all these magnets and things which we use in acupressure are included. And if you want to buy it, you can see our contact details. You can WhatsApp us and buy it for yourself. So on this point, we'll apply one Buell magnet in such a way that the yellow side of the Buell magnet will touch the skin, and from the outside, see, this yellow side of the Buell magnet will touch the skin, and from the outside you can see the white side of the Buell magnet. That means we need to tone the energy of this point. We will increase the energy of this point. This point is bilateral. That means you need to apply the magnets on both the hands. You need to apply it for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you will remove it, you need to throw the paper tips away and bring both the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and you can use it again. Magnets do not expire and you can use these points or these magnets for lifetime. Okay. So like see, high creatinine issues are not like issues which are in your body for like 1 or 2 days or a week or such. Okay. It is, see, your functions of kidneys are like they are a major problem. Okay, they are in your body like from past so many times. You will not be knowing about it, you won't be seeing symptoms, but the problem is there. Okay, so do not think that you will get the results in a month or something. Okay, do it daily, you will definitely see some changes in yourself, and within 2 to 3 months according to your span, okay, like from how long you are having this problem, you will get proper results of it. Okay, so do these points daily, just believe in them, trust in them, and do this daily. Okay, thank you so much everyone. That's all for the day.